Welcome inside the world of BMW, where innovation and precision meet to create automotive excellence. Here, hundreds of cars come to life under one massive roof, every detail engineered to perfection. It all begins with the finest raw materials, high-grade steel and aluminum shaped with robotic precision. Sparks fly as automated arms weld together the iconic BMW body frame, each seam crafted for strength and safety. The chassis moves through pristine painting booths, where layers of paint bring vibrant color and lasting shine. A flawless finish emerges under expert control, reflecting the craftsmanship beneath. Under the hood, powerful engines are assembled by skilled technicians, combining performance with efficiency. Inside, luxurious interiors take shape. Hand-stitched leather, advanced electronics, and intuitive design all harmonize. BMW tires are built from durable compounds and reinforced with steel belts for safety and control. Each tire is carefully mounted on sleek alloy wheels, then expertly fitted to the car by dedicated workers. As the car nears completion, every component is tested, from sensors and brakes to the engine's roar. Engineers and robots work side by side, ensuring every BMW meets the highest standards. Now the masterpiece is ready. Gleaming under showroom lights, the BMW rolls out, a perfect blend of power, style, and innovation. Feel the excitement as it glides onto the road, turning heads and capturing hearts wherever it goes. BMW, more than a car. It's a promise of excellence, precision, and the ultimate driving experience.